I'm going to put LEDs for the indicator. And you're probably saying, so what, big deal is LEDs on the indicator? But I'm going to do it one step further. You see this section right here? This is for the indicator, the right turn, left turn, parking light, whatever, such and such. It's wasted because I think this thing should light up white. It would be beautiful to see this whole thing white when this is on and this white. It'll give it an aggressive look. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a switchback. Now what a switchback is, it's a bulb that has a LED chip, a yellow and a white. So you can hook it up in such a way where when the lights are on, when the headlights are on, all lit. When you hit the indicator, this thing will act as an indicator, turn yellow, along with this.
Now here's your regular bulb, that your indicator bulb, your turn signals, whatever. This is for the front probably because it's yellow, it's amber. Now if you look at it, you see how you see two, I believe those are called filaments. You see two, let's call them filaments. You see two filaments in there. One is for when you're driving and you have the lights on, the yellow will always stay on with your lights on. The second is the flasher, where it will flash but yet not go out. You know, if you had a single one in there, it would flash and go out. But if you notice, when you hit the indicators, the yellow light stays on, but then there's one light back there that flashes. So that's what that does. Now, here's the new LED that I'm going to go with. It's pretty much the same way, but what's going to happen is that, like that other one where it stays on automatically, when it stays on, when you turn it on, it's going to light up white. And when you hit the indicator, it's going to go yellow and it's going to flash yellow.
Now you probably heard the name Cree tossed around when it comes to lights and everything like that. They're supposed to be the best and everything like that. Now let me explain something to you. Cree is not a light manufacturer. They're the chip, the LED chip on the light manufacturer. So I don't want you to go looking on eBay or wherever you go to the store or AutoZone, say I need Cree bulbs, because you're not going to find any, not to my knowledge. Now with any type of customization, you're going to have a little bit of modification. So when you put these switchback lights in, you might have to use a load resistor. Now what happens is if you don't use this load resistor, when you go and hit the signal, it's going to make your car, you know, hyper flash. It's going to look like your car's on crack. Now you may like your car, you know, flashing like it's on crack. I mean, that's up to you. I mean, don't get me wrong, it looks weirdly kind of cool a little. So, but for me, I want my car to flash like normal, so I'm going to put a load resistor in there. I mounted it right to the frame of the car. A piece, you want to mount it to metal, because if you mount it here to this plastic, this thing gets hot. Now what happens is you got the two red wires that come out. It's two red wires, one on one end and the other one on the other end. What you have to do is you have to go and pull your indicator out, your indicator wire, right? And you have to identify which one is the ground, which normally black is, and you have to figure out which one the flasher is. This is the flasher. This brown wire, in some application has 2 wires, but this has 3. Because this is the wire that stays on. So this is the indicator wire. On Trailblazers, they're usually blue. It's like a light blue on the driver's side. This is the passenger side. So all you do is tap each wire end of the wire into either the blue and the ground. So you got your flasher wire and your ground wire. This is with the headlights on. Look how bright they are. Wow. All right, now check this out. This is just a loop back. So this would normally be a yellow light, but this is with the loop back, with that bottom section lighting up white. And check this out. Look how bright it is. Now this is the driving lights. Check it out. That's a loop back in the driving lights. Let's put it all together. There you go. Seeing into tomorrow. I got LEDs all around. Now to get the full impact of what we did, the LEDs, there it is. Hit the indicator, hazards, yellow. Check this out. This is when you want to go all stealthy like. Look at that. Good. Back to normal. Seen into tomorrow. And I didn't stop there. No, bam! Hooked up the driving lights too. This is what you're gonna see coming at you. Man, I'm really digging this. This is nice. This is a nice upgrade. Now I'm seeing until tomorrow. That's right. Oh, now my headlights, with these headlights, these LEDs, looking all kinds of pretty. All right, now, thought I forgot, but I didn't. The LED bulbs that I'm using for the headlights and the fog lights are from a company called Quake World. They're 6000K, and they give off a nice bright white. They say bluish, but it's bright white. And the switchback setup that I'm using is from a company called highperformancebulbs.com. Ask for Steve. All right. Gotta keep on going. Gotta keep on going with this Trailblazer project. Like Mr. T said in Rocky 3, got a lot more videos coming at you, gonna hit you with. And I'm really hoping you're enjoying them because I'm enjoying doing them. I'm telling you right now, I'm having fun with them. But I'm looking at the clock on the wall, or should I say ceiling. Time for me to get back and do some more stuff, maybe on the 67 Chevelle because it's been waiting patiently and I want to get that going as well. But what I want you to do, check it out. You got some homework. I want you to check out Donald Byrd. Rest in peace, Donald Byrd. You know his music, but I want you to check out Stepping Into Tomorrow. The whole CD's kind of nice, kind of fat, but especially Stepping Into Tomorrow on there, and think twice. I want to know what you think because you're going to find that there's a lot of music on there that you've heard, you know, because a lot of people sample from him, so you might recognize a sample or two, a song, and be like, hey, that artist used him. Hey, that artist sampled that cut. Check it out. Think twice. Stepping Into Tomorrow. Check out the whole CD. Let me know what you think, because we're going to do this every now and then because I love music almost as much as cars. Maybe more. I don't know. That's tough. That's a tough one. But always, please, always be easy, and I will catch you guys real soon. Take care.